Hi everybody, we are Zanjeel, Sarah, Vraj, Quasar, and Mariam. And today we are pitching Haven Connect. So first, let's start off with the issue. In 2022, almost 32 million individuals were displaced due to natural disasters, and this number is only set to increase. One way to support communities facing natural disasters is through resilience hubs, which are community-run centers that provide support through temperature-controlled areas, community gardens, job training, sustainability workshops, and much more. Many of these hubs are situated in urban centers in dense neighborhoods and are run by community members such as nonprofits. Rural areas typically see less hubs and have a harder time finding community members who are knowledgeable on diverse areas of social improvement, and this decreases accessibility.
With our focus on wildfires, this natural disaster has become a chronic growing issue as per the recent decade. With this, sustainability is a key factor in supporting and maintaining a process for longevity. The financial cost of these wildfires, such as the recent Jasper events, caused over $880 million in damages, equating to nearly $1,000 per acre. This information highlights the importance of investing in prevention over suppression, and in the case of Haven Connect, this resilience hub platform requires a lot of management in the financial and environmental sectors. Proper, consistent funding and community engagement are essential to ensure these solutions are both effective and sustainable, creating safer, more resilient communities while minimizing the economic and environmental toll of these wildfires. Establishing energy efficient hubs with renewable energy sources can reduce emissions while supporting modern forest practices. These hubs can also serve as research centers for wildfires and other climate related disasters. Though initial costs for establishing such hubs are significant, the long-term benefits, including protecting homes, lives, and natural resources, far outweigh these expenses. The resilience hubs are a last resort for protection of people and communities.
In the events of floods, extreme heat, tornadoes, and winter storms, these hubs can function as emergency shelters. For example, there are disaster support hubs that we use for the Extreme Heat Resilient Program in Vancouver.
Our goal was to create a comprehensive support system that enhances community preparedness, response, and recovery during emergencies. We decided to build on the communication and accessibility aspect of resilience hubs, which serve as a multifunctional, resource-equipped space for residents during disasters, providing shelter and support while also acting as a community center year-round. Resilience hubs are a physical space that would integrate communication strategies and digital tools, such as our website, Haven Connect, to improve coordination, information sharing, and policy-driven community engagement. We found that feasibility could be broken down into 5 points. Technical requirements would mean developing a scalable, user-friendly website with profiles for each hub, real-time communication, and resource sharing features. For funding and costs, initial development and ongoing maintenance would require funding from government partnerships, NGOs, or resilience-focused grants. Operational management would designate admin at each hub for platform management and provide training with clear policies for content moderation. Legal and accessibility compliance would ensure the website adheres to data protection laws and is accessible for diverse users. Community engagement would engage resilience hubs for usability testing, gain community buy-in, and collaborate with existing networks for seamless integration.
Now let's talk about equity. To ensure our program is equitable, we'll provide a safe portal which only hub administrators can log onto for private access to up-to-date communications between emergency responders, government orgs, and other hubs. Privatizing information will protect community members whose data profiles could place them at harm's way if this information is shared publicly. Administrators will also be responsible for relaying information to center visitors in accessible manners and for sharing accessibility needs between other hubs in times of crisis. Our program will also provide job training for employees who run it, providing financial security to local communities.
Haven Connect will expand organically, starting with high-risk rural areas and leveraging existing spaces like recreation centers. Recent wildfires in Jasper show the need for adaptable hubs across rural areas. With government funding, we'll replicate this model in other vulnerable regions, tailoring each hub to meet local needs effectively.
With Haven Connect, government and municipal stakeholders can utilize information on location of these resilient hubs to support evacuation strategies. Haven Connect can also use resources from the FireSmart program to organize training sessions on wildfire prevention and mitigation strategies. The key stakeholder involved in this project would be community associations and faith organizations who can provide valuable human capital and volunteering efforts to maintain the Resilient Hub facility and network. In Calgary specifically, Haven Connect can work with the Calgary Drop-in Center and Calgary Public Libraries to further support training programs.
Haven Connect will boost efficiency through a central online portal for real-time coordination, resource management, and community updates, streamlining responses and reducing duplication. Powered by renewable energy, our hubs cut costs and emissions critical during outages like those seen in Nova Scotia's hurricane season, allowing us to serve communities effectively while minimizing environmental impact.